As it is saying that do good and get good. As it is saying that do good and get good. A hearty welcomes back you friends. In spoken classes, object speaking in part second, I hearty welcomes you. I Wasid Khan before you. As in part first, we already learned object speaking, and in part first, I taken an example that is very easy, and we learn about an apple. Today, the next object I'm just going to take in the same category fruits. The second fruit that is quite different from apple, I'm just going to take that is pineapple. Okay, so track. First, I'm just going to draw an outline sketch of pineapple so that fresher can easily learn the which object I'm just going to take, that is pineapple. So easily we can speak more than 2 or 3 minutes about this object so that our spoken skills may improve easily. In first, apple you have learned because it's very similar with us. So easily we can speak about apple. But today's object that is pineapple is quite different. So we have to think about this object to speak continuous. Yes, many of my friends are similar to these fruits, but for some of learners, it is very new. Of course, this is very beautiful flower in looking, sorry, beautiful fruits in looking. Yes, the same structure will be into the last. If we talk about these locations, so in looking, it is very beautiful. The first sentence is about seeing this object, that this is very beautiful. This is very beautiful in looking. If we talk about the looking of this fruit, it means this is very beautiful in looking. Second, this is also a fruit. As yesterday said, apple was a fruit. It is also a fruit. This is, today we will use also, this is also a fruit. If we talk about the color of this fruit, then we will find it is multicolor. It is multicolor. It is multicolor fruit. Mostly if we talk about the particular, then green and brown color can be found on this particular fruits. Maybe objects, its structure is very beautiful. This fruit is sweet and sure in taste. This fruit is mostly used in juice making. If you like this fruit, then you can add I like this fruit very much. Thank you very much, friends. You can add more than 5 sentences in this object so that you can enhance your skills. Here I already given to you the 6 points about this object, and I request to the learners, please add some more sentence to work up to enhance your speaking time. Thank you very much for being with me. Tomorrow we'll again meet with a different topic. Thank you very much and take care.